Welcome to the Fanily!
We're left to our last 3 LOL Surprise from our Bling Series tree. I'm just gonna take them all this time. It's really cool how they're made to be like ornaments. Let's get unboxing. Let's find out who this is. So glitter party. We have our glitter stickers. This invisible layer, it's the worst. It's like I'm chipping through ice. There's our girl. Oh, we got the cat girl again. So many twinsies. We have her boots, minty green and white. We got her bottle, black glittery, teal glittery. There we go. Now for her cat ears. Now let's put her in her ornament, and boom, now she can go on the tree. So you are next. Glitter party. Well, it took 2 tries, but almost perfect grip. We got another bonbon. Yay! We have triplets! And now we can rock them. Here we go. Woo! Yeah. Now here's our last one. Let's hope for something different. Woo! Oh, we have glow up. Gonna be different. Perfect! Oh no, not perfect! No! And stickers went flying. Guess it wanted to stay wrapped up in bed. Eh? No one? Okay. And before is a perfect zip. Perfect zip. Who is inside? Who do we get? Who do we get? Who do we get? Oh my god. Oh, the Queen of Hearts. And look at her little leg. It's all hearty. We got a heartbreaker. Here's her beautiful dress. Here's her little bottle. We have cute little golden shoes with black pom-poms. Flip-flop slippers. Ah! I need more help. Okay. Now look at her adorable little outfit. Okay, let's get you in your ball and get you ready for the LOL Christmas tree. Alright. I feel like we're missing something, are we? Oh, no? No? Kidding me? They shorted us. Well, Heartbreaker, I'm sorry, but it looks like they shorted us your tiara. What? They shorted me the tiara? I'm sorry. We'll get you a new accessory in Fashion Crush soon. Alright, that better be soon, because my tiara was irreplaceable. I know, I'm sorry. After the tree you go. Speaking of the tree, let's check it out now that we opened all the balls.
If you had fun watching today's video, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more, and let us know in the comments what other toy videos you might want to see in the future. Also, don't forget to check out our other channel, The Fangirl, where we talk about all kinds of movies, TV shows, and even books and comics. But viewer discretion is advised. See you next time, Fanily members!